Welcome to another new construction model home tour. Today we're going to be looking at the Plan 2 at Aberdeen by Tri Pointe Homes in Summerlin West. This floor plan is going to have 2,590 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. It's a courtyard style home with the majority of the outdoor space being in the front and sides of the property, while the rear there is a 2-car garage and the street. This is going to be an open concept floor plan with high ceilings, tons of windows for natural lights. The builders do dress up the model homes with plenty of upgrades to show you what is possible, but they also offer design services to help you pick out the right upgrades for your style and budget. This floor plan does have 1 bedroom and full bathroom downstairs. The upstairs, we're going to have 3 bedrooms, nice sized loft, as well as a very large primary suite that also includes a deck. The primary bathroom also being a nice size. We'll have a large walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a large walk-in closet. Secondary bedrooms are on the other side of the second floor, separated by the loft. They are also both a very nice size, with a shared bathroom in between, and also an upstairs laundry room for convenience. Of course, you have plenty of parks nearby, as is most of Summerlin. If this is not the right plan for you, give us a call, 702-480-9137. Let us help you find the right property for you.